The Legend of Mayon Volcano. Ang alamat ng Bulkang Mayon. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful princess named Daragang Magayon. Her father was the ruler in the land called Bicol. Daragang Magayon was so beautiful and kind that many young men wanted to marry her. Daragang Magayon had a secret. She was in love with Hadyong. However, Hadyong is a warrior from a tribe that was enemy to Daragang Magayon's family. So Daragang Magayon and Hadyong had to meet in hiding until one night, Hadyong's brother caught their meeting. When both families heard about it, they were furious. This started a war between the two tribes. Hadyong fought in the battle too and got killed in the fight. When Daragang Magayon heard the news of Hadyong's death, it broke her heart. She cried every day until she got sick. She soon died too. With much sadness, Daragang Magayon's family and the townspeople buried the beautiful maiden. But after a few months had passed, the ground where she was buried grew and grew. After a few hundreds of years, it became a very beautiful volcano, now called Mayon. Fun facts: Benvenido Santos, a Filipino author, was the one who wrote the famous legend. Mayon Volcano is the most active volcano here in the Philippines. The story or the legend is known to be a tragic love story. The moral lessons of the legend is to follow rules, respect authorities, and respect others' feelings. By respecting the law and other people, we can maintain a harmonious relationship to other people and to the entire community.